Good morning students. Today we will talk about measurement of length. What is the measurement of length? लंबाई को मापना. Length. What is length? Length is used to measure how long an object is. इसका मतलब है कि किसी भी चीज की अगर हमें लंबाई नापनी है तो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? लेंथ का. लेंथ फाइंड करते हैं हम किसी भी चीज की लंबाई फाइंड करने के लिए. जैसे कि ये बोर्ड है आपके सामने, हम इसकी लंबाई कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? आपके पास क्लासरूम का फ्लोर है, उसकी लंबाई कैसे नापेंगे? एक पेंसिल, उसको कैसे नापेंगे? ये बुक है, इसकी लंबाई को हम कैसे मापेंगे? इसके लिए हम लेंथ फाइंड करने के आपको यूनिट्स बताएंगे. फॉर डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम स्कूल टू होम, distance between two countries or our neighborhood places, like this. To find out the distance from one place to another place, we will find out the length. Okay, now we will talk about length units. How to measure the length? These are two types of units. Now look here. Now look here. Length मेजरमेंट यूनिट्स मीन्स लंबाई को मापने के लिए जो मेजर्स यूज किए जाते हैं. दीज आर हियर. दीज आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट्स, स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स. स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स मीन्स दीज आर फिक्स्ड मेजर्स टू मेजर लेंथ करेक्टली. These tell us about the fixed measurement. What are the standard units? Like this meter, we write meter in short form m. Centimeter in cm. Kilometer used for measuring the distance from one place to another. We will write kilometer in km. Okay. Now non-standard unit. Non-standard units are, these are not fixed. These are changing from person to person. So these are different from one person to another person. These are hand span and foot span. Hand span means distance from our thumb tip to the little finger tip. This distance from thumb tip to little finger tip, this is the distance. This is called hand span. Like if I will measure the length of this board by using hand span, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the length of this board? By using hand span, 6 hand span. If a child will use his hand span to measure the length of this board, then it may be 10 hand span or 12 hand span. So it is changing by from person to person. So these are not fixed. In this way, foot span also. Foot span means your tip of the toe. Foot span means tip of the toe to the heel of your foot. So this is called foot span. Now, if we want to measure the distance between this table to this table, how to measure with foot span? Look here. Now, to measure the length between this table to this table, we will use our foot span in this way by touching the heel to the last tip of the toe. Okay, in this way we can use our foot span to measure the distance. So students, standard units means fixed measures. Okay, fixed measures are, standard units are meter, centimeter and kilometer. And non-standard units, not fixed measures like hand span, foot span. Okay. In this way you have to solve your book exercise of measurement of length and by following this video. Thank you.